Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of your shopping. Today, we're diving deep into the electrifying world of power supplies. Yes, I said power supplies, because who doesn't love a good voltage debate over dinner, right? Today, we have two heavyweight contenders in the ring, the NZXT C850 on my left and the Thermaltake GF1 2024 on my right. Let's see which one can power your dreams and maybe even your toaster. So grab your popcorn and let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, the price. The NZXT C850 is priced at a whopping $139. That's enough to make your wallet weep. Now, over here we have the Thermaltake GF1 2024, which comes in at a surprisingly friendly $109. That's right, folks. For just a bit more than a fancy dinner, you could power your gaming rig instead of just getting full-on overpriced pasta. Looks like the Thermaltake is taking the early lead. Reviewers praise the Thermaltake for its great value and reliability, while the NZXT is noted for its quality and potential for future upgrades, despite being on the pricier side. Next, let's talk efficiency. The NZXT C850 boasts a power conversion efficiency that's 2% better than the 80+ gold standard. It's like the overachiever in high school who just had to get an A+ in gym class too. Meanwhile, the Thermaltake GF1 is also 80+ gold certified. It's like the cool kid who doesn't need to try too hard, but still ends up with the same grade. Reviewers for the NZXT appreciate its quality and efficiency in high-performance builds, while the Thermaltake is commended for its effective performance and low noise levels. So, while NZXT is out here flexing its muscles, Thermaltake is just chilling in the back, sipping a smoothie. Efficiency? It's a tie, folks. Now, let's get modular. The NZXT C850 is fully modular, meaning you only use the cables you need. It's like a minimalist's dream come true. No more messy cables looking like a spaghetti fight in your case. On the other side, the Thermaltake GF1 is also fully modular. Reviewers have praised both for their neat cable management and ease of installation, making them both winners in this department. If you're still using the cables that come with your old power supply, you might as well be using a rotary phone. Next up, let's talk noise levels. The NZXT C850 promises to be optimized and silent. It's like that friend who always agrees with you but never speaks up. Super low-key. But wait, the Thermaltake GF1 has a Smart Zero Fan feature that minimizes noise. Reviewers have noted that both options operate quietly, making them suitable for a whisper-quiet experience. But if you want a ninja, Thermaltake takes the cake. Finally, let's talk about protection. The NZXT C850 has a microcontroller-enabled protection mechanism. That sounds fancy, right? Like it has a PhD in keeping your components safe. The Thermaltake GF1 counters with built-in industrial-grade protections. Reviewers feel both units offer solid protection, but NZXT might just edge ahead here with its advanced features. Both are safe bets for your components. In summary, the NZXT C850 is praised for its efficiency, modular design, and advanced protection features, while the Thermaltake GF1 stands out for its affordability, quiet operation, and reliability. Both have their strengths, making them great choices depending on your needs. Wow, what a showdown! In the battle of the power supplies, we've got the NZXT C850 with its efficiency and protection features, while the Thermaltake GF1 swoops in with a lower price and quiet operation. So who's the winner? Honestly, it comes down to your needs. If you want high-end efficiency and don't mind spending a bit more, go for the NZXT. But if you want to save some cash and still get a solid PSU, the Thermaltake GF1 is your best buddy. Remember folks, whether you're powering your gaming rig or just trying to keep your toaster alive, make sure to buy smart. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which power supply you'd choose. Until next time, keep your volts high and your stress low.